3D printing heart. Imagine a future where a new heart can be created just for you, using your own cells. That future is getting closer thanks to 3D printing technology. Scientists have found a way to 3D print a bioengineered heart, complete with muscle tissue, blood vessels, and chambers, all built to match a patient's body perfectly. This means a lower risk of rejection and a better fit for the individual. The process uses advanced bioprinters that carefully layer living cells and special materials to create working heart structures with amazing precision. Although this technology is still in the early stages, the goal is clear: to produce fully functional, transplantable hearts in the lab. This would be a game changer for millions of people suffering from heart disease or waiting for a transplant. Electra EL9, a plane that can fly from almost anywhere. The Electra EL9 is a game-changing hybrid electric aircraft designed to make short-distance air travel faster, easier, and more eco-friendly. What makes it truly unique is its ability to take off and land in super small spaces, about the size of a soccer field. It doesn't need a big airport runway, and it can even operate from grassy fields or parking lots, making it perfect for remote areas or busy cities. Powered by a smart hybrid system, the EL9 combines batteries with a small turbine generator to run 8 electric motors built into its wings. This gives it a quiet and smooth flight while still being powerful and efficient. It can carry up to 9 passengers or 3,000 pounds of cargo and travel around 330 nautical miles, about 610 kilometers, on a single trip. E-skateboards: fast, fun, and eco-friendly rides for everyone. Electric skateboards are a cool and modern way to get around. They're fast, fun, and better for the environment than cars or bikes. Whether you're cruising through the city or racing down a dirt path, there's an e-skateboard made just for your style. For beginners, the Mio V5 is a great choice. It's easy to use, waterproof, and can go up to 29 miles per hour, perfect for learning and zipping around town. If you love speed and adventure, the Meepo Hurricane is built for rough trails with a powerful motor, a long 44-mile range, and a top speed of 35 miles per hour. Looking for even more power? The Ease and He off-road board has a strong 3,000-watt motor that handles any terrain. For tech fans, the Backfire G5 includes a smart OLED remote that shows your speed, battery life, and more. And if you want both looks and performance, the Evolve StokeX gives you sleek design and smooth control. With Flying Ship, a new way to travel over water. The Flying Ship is a cool new invention that mixes the best of boats and planes into one amazing machine. Created by Flying Ship Technologies, this watercraft can glide just above the surface of the water using powerful spinning fans at the front and back. These fans help it lift slightly off the water, making it super fast, up to 10 times faster than normal sea vessels. Even better, it's 25% cheaper to run than an airplane, which makes it great for delivering cargo quickly over long distances. It runs on a hybrid engine and stays balanced on 4 air-cushioned skis, so it moves smoothly across the sea. What's really awesome is that no pilot is needed. The flying ship is controlled remotely, just like a drone, using special software called ProotTech. It can take off and land right on the water, so it doesn't need a runway or airport. Giant Cube, Riyadh's mega future landmark. The Giant Cube, also known as the Mukaab, is a massive, futuristic building that's set to become the heart of Riyadh's new Murabba district in Saudi Arabia. What makes it so unique is its shape: a giant cube that's 400 meters tall, wide, and long. Once complete, it will be one of the largest man-made structures in the world. Designed with inspiration from traditional Najdi architecture, the cube will feature a modern twist with a beautiful outer design and a spiral-shaped tower inside. It will offer over 2 million square meters of space, filled with shops, restaurants, hotels, museums, homes, offices, and even entertainment zones, all under one roof. This mega project is part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, a plan to grow beyond oil and build a modern, sustainable economy. The Mukaab isn't just a building. It's a symbol of a new era for the country. Gulfstream G400. The Gulfstream G400 is an exciting new business jet that combines comfort, performance, and modern design in one sleek package. It's one of the smaller jets from Gulfstream, but don't let that fool you. It still offers a spacious 86-foot cabin that fits into the large cabin jet class. Perfect for business or personal travel, the G400 is built to provide a smooth, fast, and luxurious flying experience. Although it's still going through testing and isn't certified yet, Gulfstream plans to launch it by 2025. Once it's ready, the G400 will compete with top jets like the Dassault Falcon 2000 and Bombardier Global 5000. Inside, you'll find a stylish and roomy interior with advanced technology that makes flying more comfortable and efficient. Gulfstream has also focused on keeping future operating costs low, making it a smart option for regular travelers. Joby Aviation, a cleaner, quieter way to fly. Joby Aviation is changing the way we fly with its new hydrogen-powered electric aircraft. This futuristic plane uses clean energy from hydrogen and electric motors instead of gas, making it better for the environment. It's designed to fly quietly and smoothly while producing zero harmful emissions. That means you can enjoy the journey through the skies without adding pollution to the planet. What makes Joby's aircraft special is its mix of powerful hydrogen fuel and smart electric technology. It not only reduces noise, but also flies more efficiently, using less energy while going longer distances. Imagine flying from city to city, knowing your trip is powered by clean, renewable energy. That's the promise Joby Aviation brings. This new way of flying is perfect for the future. Lemur 2 drone. The Lemur 2 is a smart and rugged drone built for dangerous situations where sending a person could risk lives. Designed especially for police, firefighters, and rescue teams, this next-gen drone comes loaded with powerful features. It has 4K video, night vision, and thermal imaging, making it perfect for use in dark, smoky, or hazardous places. What makes it even more special is its ability to fly indoors without GPS or light, thanks to its advanced autonomy system. Whether it's a hostage rescue, a chemical spill, or a search and rescue mission, the Lemur 2 is ready to help. It can smash through glass, flip itself upright if it falls, and hover in place while streaming live video to teams on the ground. It also has encrypted two-way audio, so rescuers can listen and speak through it in real time. Planet City, a wild idea to save the Earth. Planet City is a bold and imaginative concept created by architect and filmmaker Liam Young. It suggests that all 10 billion people on Earth could live together in just one super dense city, taking up only 0.02% of the planet's surface. The idea behind it is simple but powerful. If we all lived in one place, the rest of the Earth could be returned to nature and wildlife. This futuristic city would be built using recycled materials and follow a circular economy where nothing is wasted and everything is reused. Instead of spreading cities across forests, oceans, and wild lands, Planet City would rise vertically, freeing up space for the environment to recover and flourish. It's a radical new way to think about urban life and sustainability. Planet City isn't just about saving space. It's about tackling big problems like climate change, pollution, and overdevelopment by rethinking how we live and build. Lilium rescued with €200 million investment. Lilium, the electric air taxi startup known for its futuristic flying vehicles, has received a vital €200 million investment just in time to save it from shutting down. The funding came from the Mobile Uplift Corporation and other backers, giving the company a second chance to keep developing its innovative VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This breakthrough support means Lilium can now move forward with its goal of getting its aircraft certified for use in cities around the world. The investment also helps Lilium rehire former employees, bringing back skilled talent and speeding up progress. This is a big win for both the company and the growing world of urban air mobility. Lilium's mission is to create fast, electric flying taxis that can help people avoid traffic and reduce pollution, offering a smarter way to travel through crowded cities.